Alright, so we can actually apply some styling to columns in this table. Let us start with making each table data yellow or have a background of yellow. So we can go to the first column and we make the background color yellow. So this is how to do it. We have the style attribute, and in there we have the name of what we want, which is background color, and then the value yellow. This is a little bit of CSS, but let us just look at the effect for now. So we have our header is yellow. We can go ahead and copy this. We apply it to the first column of the next row and the first column of the third row. So let's say tomorrow we come and we have a meeting and we say, let us change everything to blue. In this small table, that's not an issue, but if the table was a lot bigger, let's say 100 rows, you will have to go to each table data to change the color. But there's an easier way to do this, and that is column groups. So in column groups, we will have columns that represent each existing columns, and any effect we apply to the column will have an effect on which column it is representing. So let me give an example. We have the column group, opening and closing tag. Then we have the column tags. We have 3 tags because it is representing the 3 columns. In our table, we have 3 columns, the first, second, and third. Now, to have an effect on the first column, we just apply a style to that column, and every cell in that column we have this effect, a background of yellow. This is much simpler than what we tried the last time and is easier to maintain. It has the same effect, but it's quite faster to implement. We can do the same, and so in this situation we are saying column 1 is empty, column 2 has a background of yellow, and column 3 is empty. So in the effect, you will have a middle column that has a color yellow. We can go back to the first column and let's say we have a color of aqua. This gives the first column a color of aqua, second column yellow, and third column is just plain. So this is how to apply effects to the column using the column group tag. So HTML provides us with tools to help daily work easier. This is faster to implement and easier to maintain in the instance you want to change the code.